I've bought and tested these watches so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. Solar-powered watches are not just a trend, they're a smart investment. They combine functionality with sustainability, giving you a reliable timepiece that doesn't require a battery change. Let me share my honest experiences with the top 5 solar-powered watches for men. Product number 1, Casio G-Shock GWM5610U1. When I first got my hands on the Casio G-Shock GWM5610U1, I was excited. This watch is rugged, tough, and built for the outdoor enthusiast like me. Imagine being out in the wild, surrounded by nature, and not having to worry about your watch conking out because of a dead battery. The tough solar power feature means that as long as there's light, it will keep running. I wore it on hikes and even during a camping trip. The auto light feature was a lifesaver, especially when I was rummaging through my gear in the dark. However, I did notice that the auto light wouldn't activate if the battery level fell below medium, which was a bit of a letdown during one of my late-night campfire sessions. The shock resistance is incredible. I accidentally knocked it against a rock and it was unscathed. In terms of style, it's a black resin sport watch that pairs well with any outdoor gear. Pros: durable design, tough solar power, and shock resistance are standout features. Cons: the auto light feature can be a bit finicky if the battery isn't at a good level. Why buy it? If you're an outdoor lover and need a watch that can keep up with your adventures without the hassle of battery changes, this Casio G-Shock is your best bet. Product number 2, Timex Men's Expedition Scout. The Timex Men's Expedition Scout caught my eye for its rugged charm. Right out of the box, it felt sturdy and well-crafted. The leather strap was surprisingly comfortable and adjustable, making it easy to wear for long periods. I took it on a hiking trip, and the INDIGLO backlight feature was a game-changer when the sun went down. Just a push of a button and I could see the time clearly, even in complete darkness. I appreciated the classic design with the gunmetal dial and full Arabic numerals. It gave off a timeless vibe. The watch also includes a date window, which I found useful. While it's built for the outdoors, I wore it to work and got compliments on its style. Pros: rugged and stylish design, comfortable leather strap, and useful backlight feature. Cons: it's not as water-resistant as some other models, which may be a concern for some outdoor activities. Why buy it? If you're looking for a watch that effortlessly combines functionality with classic style, the Timex Expedition Scout is a solid choice. Product number 3, Timex Men's Expedition Gallatin. I was intrigued by the Timex Men's Expedition Gallatin when I first laid eyes on it. This watch has a sleek design with a black dial and features that cater to outdoor enthusiasts. I took it for a spin while camping, and I was impressed by how well it held up. The adjustable fabric strap fit perfectly on my wrist, and I liked the fact that it could handle up to an 8-inch circumference. One of my favorite aspects was the solar charging capability, which means I could recharge it using any light source. I found it convenient knowing I wouldn't have to replace batteries. The luminous hands were helpful when I checked the time at night. However, it's water-resistant only up to 50 meters, so while it's fine for swimming, I wouldn't recommend it for diving. Pros: stylish and durable, solar charging, and lightweight for outdoor activities. Cons: limited water resistance may not suit all water activities. Why buy it? If you're searching for a watch that's both practical for outdoor adventures and stylish enough for everyday wear, the Timex Expedition Gallatin is a great option. Product number 4, Citizen Men's Classic Eco Drive. The Citizen Men's Classic Eco Drive caught my attention with its elegant design and classic appeal. I wore it to a formal dinner and it seamlessly transitioned from work to play. The silver-toned stainless steel and mineral crystal give it a sophisticated look that complements any outfit. This watch features a simple 3-hand movement with a date function, making it easy to keep track of important dates. What I loved most is how it harnesses solar energy, meaning I never had to worry about winding it or replacing batteries. Its 30-meter water resistance is adequate for everyday wear, but I wouldn't take it swimming. Pros: elegant design, solar-powered functionality, and versatility for different occasions. Cons: limited water resistance and may not suit rugged outdoor use. Why buy it? If you want a watch that's both stylish and functional, perfect for both business and casual settings, the Citizen Classic Eco Drive is a fantastic choice. Product number 5. Casio Men's ProTrek PRG 271. The Casio Men's ProTrek PRG 271 is like having a Swiss Army knife on your wrist. As someone who enjoys hiking and exploring the outdoors, this watch has features that are truly impressive. It's equipped with tough solar power, which is essential for long trips away from civilization. The digital compass and altimeter were useful during my hikes, helping me navigate unfamiliar trails. I also appreciated the barometer and thermometer features. It was fascinating to keep track of the weather conditions. The full auto LED backlight made it easy to read even in low-light situations. However, with all these features, it may feel a bit bulky to some, and it's not the most stylish option for formal events. Pros: multifunctional features, solar-powered and durable for outdoor use. Cons: bulky design may not appeal to everyone, and it lacks a classic style. Why buy it? If you're an outdoor adventurer who needs a reliable and multifunctional watch, the Casio ProTrek PRG 271 is the perfect companion for your journeys. In conclusion, each of these solar-powered watches offers something unique, whether you're looking for ruggedness, style, or multifunctionality. Based on my experiences, I highly recommend considering your lifestyle and preferences when choosing the right watch. Don't forget, these timepieces not only keep you punctual but also contribute to a sustainable future. So pick one that resonates with you and enjoy the benefits of solar power.